guys, mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my channel, Tala Remy signing in. And for today, we're going to have a reaction video of Beanie, yung bago nilang music video. At dahil wala na talaga akong makontent, magre-reaction video na lang talaga ako. Charot. So yun, Beanie ay they're formed through Star Hunt Academy. They are composed of 8 members: Arya, Colette, Maloy, Gwen, Stacy, Mika, Joanna, and Sheena. Nakakapanood na rin ako ng ibang kanta nila. Let's watch their new music video, which is Golden Arrow. By the look of the thumbnail, so, parang ang sosyal ng dating nila dito, no? So, let's look. Parang mala 80s yung dating. 80s or 70s ba? So, nga. Ay, ang ganda. Naalala ko yung... Pero may nagaganda. Joanna, yung Joanna siya. Kanilang concept. Parang girl group nga.
Let's go. You can bet we own the world on our heads. Go check out the rules, see nothing to 1 a.m. Perfect harmony. No, the storm is coming your way. Watch chase. Feel it a little bit.
Naalala ko din yung Wonder Girls sa kanila. Hindi naman sa pagko-compare, pero diba girl group naman sila. Yung
I don't care about these limits, ready for your test. I got no to my belt.
Sige, galing.
Yeah, I'm pushing and pushing, I'm fighting and fighting till I got nothing left. I get
Ang ganda.
see nobody gets something, it's a star belongs to me. I'm hard to get to the top, horizon with Beanie ain't gonna stop. Take your aim, make your mark, fix your eyes, feeling this far within. It's why we're born to win.
Born to win daw. At sumayaw. Aesthetic nila, ang ganda nila. Wala, ang galing. Ay, ang galing. O, nung part na to, parang AKB48. May nako-compare ko sa ibang girl group, pero yun lang naman yung naalala ko. Or parang yun nga, parang naalala ko lang. So, yun.